Digital technologies have revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate in the modern world. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, these technologies have become an integral part of our daily lives. One interesting fact is that the first computer virus was created in 1983 by Fred Cohen and was named Brain. This marked the beginning of cybersecurity challenges that continue to evolve with the advancement of technology. The Internet, which connects billions of people worldwide, was developed in the late 1960s as a research project by the United States Department of Defense. Today, it serves as a vast network of information and communication. The rise of social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram has transformed how we interact and share information with others. These platforms have also raised concerns about data privacy and the spread of misinformation. The development of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning has enabled machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition and decision-making. However, ethical considerations arise regarding the use of AI in areas like autonomous vehicles and healthcare. As we navigate the digital landscape, it is essential to understand the implications of these technologies on society, ethics, and philosophy. Ethics and philosophy play a crucial role in shaping our understanding of the world and guiding our actions. Ethics, often referred to as moral philosophy, explores concepts of right and wrong behavior, as well as the values that underpin our decisions. Philosophy, on the other hand, delves into fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, reason, and reality. Together, ethics and philosophy provide a framework for examining the ethical implications of our choices and the underlying principles that govern our lives. One interesting fact is that the word ethics is derived from the Greek word ethos, which means character or custom. This highlights the connection between ethics and the moral values that shape our character and behavior. In the realm of philosophy, the ancient Greek philosopher Socrates is known for his method of questioning and critical thinking, which laid the foundation for Western philosophy. His famous statement, "The unexamined life is not worth living," underscores the importance of self-reflection and philosophical inquiry. As we navigate the complexities of the digital age, ethical considerations become increasingly important. Questions arise about the ethical use of technology, data privacy, and the impact of artificial intelligence on society. Philosophical perspectives offer insights into these dilemmas, encouraging us to think deeply about the implications of our technological advancements. For example, the concept of technological determinism raises the question of whether technology shapes society or vice versa. This philosophical debate challenges us to consider the ethical responsibilities that come with technological innovation. In the digital era, where information is abundant and easily accessible, ethical decision-making becomes paramount. The principles of ethics and philosophy provide us with a moral compass to navigate the complexities of our interconnected world. By engaging with these disciplines, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of our values, beliefs, and responsibilities in the digital age. The impact of digital technologies on ethics is profound, shaping the way we perceive morality, privacy, and human interaction in the modern world. One significant aspect of this impact is the blurring of boundaries between the physical and digital realms. With the rise of social media platforms and online communication, individuals are faced with ethical dilemmas regarding their online behavior and the consequences of their digital actions. For example, the concept of digital citizenship has emerged as a way to promote responsible and ethical behavior online, emphasizing the importance of respect, empathy, and integrity in digital interactions. Another interesting fact is that the field of bioethics has been greatly influenced by digital technologies, particularly in areas like genetic engineering, biotechnology, and healthcare. The ethical considerations surrounding issues such as genetic manipulation, data privacy, and access to healthcare services highlight the complex interplay between technology and ethics. Moreover, the proliferation of artificial intelligence, AI, raises ethical questions about the role of machines in decision-making processes and the potential impact on human autonomy and accountability. As AI systems become more sophisticated and autonomous, concerns arise about bias, transparency, and the ethical implications of delegating moral responsibilities to machines. Additionally, the digital age has brought to light new challenges related to data privacy and cybersecurity. The collection, storage, and use of personal data by corporations and governments raise ethical concerns about surveillance, consent, and the protection of individual rights. The Cambridge Analytica scandal, where personal data from millions of Facebook users was harvested without their consent for political purposes, exemplifies the ethical dilemmas inherent in the digital economy. Furthermore, the concept of algorithmic bias underscores the ethical challenges of AI systems that perpetuate discrimination and inequality based on biased data inputs. In response to these ethical challenges, organizations and policymakers are increasingly turning to ethical frameworks and guidelines to ensure the responsible development and deployment of digital technologies. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, sets strict standards for data protection and privacy, aiming to empower individuals and hold organizations accountable for their data practices. Ethical considerations also extend to the realm of cybersecurity, where the ethical hacking community plays a crucial role in identifying vulnerabilities and strengthening digital defenses. By engaging with ethical principles and philosophical perspectives, we can navigate the ethical complexities of the digital age and foster a more ethical and inclusive digital society. Philosophy plays a crucial role in understanding the ethical, social, and existential implications of digital technologies in the modern era. By examining the fundamental questions and concepts of philosophy, we can gain valuable insights into the nature of technology and its impact on society. One interesting fact is that the philosophy of technology, also known as technophilosophy, explores the relationship between technology and humanity, raising questions about the ethical responsibilities of technological innovation. Philosophers like Martin Heidegger and Jacques Ellul have delved into the essence of technology, highlighting its transformative power and the challenges it poses to human existence. Heidegger, in his work The Question Concerning Technology, argues that technology shapes our understanding of the world and influences how we relate to reality. This philosophical perspective invites us to reflect on the ways in which digital technologies mediate our experiences and shape our perception of the world. Furthermore, ethical frameworks rooted in philosophy provide a lens through which we can evaluate the ethical implications of digital technologies. The concept of technological ethics examines the moral dilemmas arising from technological advancements, such as privacy concerns, data security, and the impact of automation on employment. Philosophical ethics, including utilitarianism, deontology, and virtue ethics, offer valuable tools for analyzing and addressing these ethical challenges. For example, utilitarianism considers the consequences of technological actions on the greatest good for the greatest number, while deontology emphasizes the importance of moral duties and principles in guiding ethical decision-making. Moreover, philosophical inquiries into the nature of consciousness, artificial intelligence, and the boundaries of human cognition shed light on the ethical considerations surrounding AI and machine learning. The exploration of philosophical concepts like consciousness, intentionality, and personhood informs debates about the ethical treatment of intelligent machines and the implications of creating sentient beings. By engaging with philosophy, we can deepen our understanding of the ethical, social, and philosophical dimensions of digital technologies, fostering a more thoughtful and responsible approach to technological innovation. Ethical considerations in AI and machine learning are paramount as these technologies continue to advance and integrate into various aspects of our lives. One interesting fact is that AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, leading to concerns about algorithmic bias and discrimination. For example, facial recognition technology has been found to exhibit racial bias, with higher error rates for individuals with darker skin tones. This raises ethical questions about the fairness and accuracy of AI systems in decision-making processes. Additionally, the use of AI in autonomous vehicles raises ethical dilemmas regarding accountability and responsibility in the event of accidents. Who is liable when an autonomous vehicle is involved in a collision? The manufacturer, the programmer, or the user? These ethical considerations highlight the need for clear guidelines and regulations to govern the development and deployment of AI technologies. Furthermore, the collection and use of personal data in machine learning algorithms raise concerns about privacy and consent. Companies that utilize machine learning to analyze user data must ensure transparency and user control over how their information is used. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the European Union sets strict standards for data protection and privacy, emphasizing the importance of informed consent and data security. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI in healthcare are profound, with questions about patient confidentiality, medical decision-making, and the potential for AI to replace human healthcare providers. While AI has the potential to improve healthcare outcomes and efficiency, ethical considerations around patient autonomy and trust must be carefully addressed. In conclusion, ethical considerations in AI and machine learning are complex and multifaceted, requiring a thoughtful and proactive approach to ensure that these technologies are developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. Philosophical perspectives on data privacy offer valuable insights into the ethical considerations surrounding the collection and use of personal information in the digital age. Philosophers have long debated the concept of privacy and its implications for individual autonomy and freedom. One interesting perspective comes from the philosopher John Stuart Mill, who argued for the importance of privacy as a fundamental human right that protects individuals from external interference. Mill's concept of the harm principle suggests that privacy should be respected unless its violation causes harm to others. This perspective raises questions about the ethical boundaries of data collection and surveillance in the digital realm. Additionally, the philosopher Immanuel Kant's notion of the categorical imperative emphasizes the importance of treating individuals as ends in themselves, rather than as means to an end. Applied to data privacy, this perspective underscores the ethical duty to respect individuals' autonomy and agency over their personal information. Furthermore, the philosopher Michel Foucault's theories on power and surveillance shed light on the dynamics of data collection and control in modern society. Foucault's concept of the panopticon highlights the pervasive nature of surveillance and its impact on individual behavior and freedom. By engaging with these philosophical perspectives, we can deepen our understanding of the ethical complexities of data privacy and work towards a more ethical and transparent approach to data management. The digital age presents a myriad of challenges and opportunities that shape our society and redefine how we interact with technology. One of the key challenges is the digital divide, which refers to the gap between those who have access to technology and those who do not. This divide exacerbates existing inequalities in education, employment, and healthcare, highlighting the need for greater digital inclusion initiatives. Cybersecurity threats pose another significant challenge in the digital age, with cyber attacks becoming increasingly sophisticated and widespread. Data breaches, ransomware attacks, and identity theft are just a few examples of the cybersecurity risks that individuals and organizations face in the digital landscape. On the other hand, the digital age also offers immense opportunities for innovation, collaboration, and connectivity. The rise of e-commerce has transformed the way we shop and conduct business, providing convenience and accessibility to consumers worldwide. Social media platforms have revolutionized how we communicate and share information, connecting people across geographical boundaries and fostering global communities. Additionally, advancements in artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and cloud computing present new possibilities for improving healthcare, transportation, and environmental sustainability. By embracing these opportunities and addressing the challenges of the digital age, we can harness the transformative power of technology to create a more inclusive, secure, and prosperous future. In conclusion, the digital age presents a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities that require thoughtful consideration and ethical engagement. As we navigate the ethical dilemmas of AI, data privacy, and technological innovation, it is essential to uphold principles of transparency, accountability, and respect for individual rights. Looking ahead, the future of the digital age holds immense potential for positive change and progress. Advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics offer new possibilities for addressing global challenges in healthcare, climate change, and social equity. By fostering a culture of responsible innovation and ethical leadership, we can shape a future where technology serves as a force for good, empowering individuals and communities to thrive in a rapidly evolving digital world.